When creating documents in Microsoft Word 2013, it is important to properly format your titles, sections, and subsections with headings in order for screen readers to properly read the text. First, you will notice on the Home tab, in the Styles group, a few of the most common styles. I personally recommend clicking on the Dialog Launcher box to open the Styles pane on the sidebar. To apply a heading, just click on the line or highlight the text you want, then click on the appropriate heading level. Heading 1 is the title of your document. You will only use Heading 1 once. Heading 2 is like a chapter title. Headings 3, 4, 5, etc. are subsections of those chapters. It is important to apply your headings in sequential order, so you wouldn't jump from Heading 2 to Heading 4. You need to make sure you apply them as Heading 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. When formatting your heading, it can also be helpful to open the navigation pane. To do this, click on the View tab. In the Show pane, check the box next to Navigation pane. Notice that you can now see what headings have been applied to the document, so you can ensure that you don't miss a level. Notice each heading has a different appearance. To change the overall look of your headings, you can go to the Design tab, look in the Document Formatting group, and click through to select a different style. Once you find a style you like, you can also modify it by changing the colors and fonts. When you pick a new color theme, remember to choose something that will have a high contrast with the background. When picking a font, it is important to think about how the documents will be used. Serif fonts such as Times New Roman are good for printed documents. For documents that are primarily being read online, it is recommended that you use a sans serif font like Arial.